not coming out, are you?
No, you're not.
Ian. No, it is not a hat, you silly goose. You silly, huh? Ian, where you going? Come back here.
Now I'm going to put them out in here. Huh. That's not coming out.
Good rainy day entertainment.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's kind of rainy outside.
Can I see? Oh yeah, it's kind of rainy outside.
Yeah. Do you like the rain, are you?
Yeah, I really do. But Ian Dilly with a hat.
I know. Where did he go? Ian!
Ian's in your room.
Uh-oh. Come back here, please. I think someone's enjoying.
Here he
Is he coming?
No, he's
Go,
in the
Ian.
bathroom.
Come here. There he comes. What'd you do with the bowl, Ian?
It's in your room still.
What'd you do with the bowl?
There it is. Lisa. Lisa.
I think there's too many in there. Uh-oh. Is it coming off the wall? Oh, no. Oh, no, Ian. Let me see. Can you blow in it, Ian? Ian. Can you go do-do-do-do? Do-do-do-do. Oh, great.